All right, Rod Ripper Nation, updates. We still got a bunch of those baby Jack Dempseys surviving. Oscars are looking good. The knife fish is hidden back there. Notice it's a little dirty. So task today, we're gonna scrub the sides. I've already drained some of the water, but we're gonna scrub the sides. We're gonna sift the sand to get a bunch of the dirt out there, and we're gonna even drain the water even lower. Not all of it, because that'd shock those babies and they probably wouldn't make it. The bigger ones would be fine, and then we're gonna refill it and have this baby looking real nice and clean. Stay tuned. Guys, I just came down here. We got a fellow Rod Ripper. But if you look, I mean, gosh, it just gets cleaner every time I come down here. Just really proud of my work. As you can see, the two adult Jack Dempseys, I think, might be getting ready to lay eggs again. They've cleared out all the sand of that area. See how the sand's built up here? They've been crazy. And I think they have bright blue. Usually when they get really bright blue, it's spawning time. So they might be having more eggs. And as you can see, we've still got a plethora of baby Jack Dempseys. That one right there is a male. You can see his darker color starting to come in. He's the dominant male right now out of all the babies. So he's the darkest. Just cool facts. Fellow Rod Ripper, surprise guest.
Captain J, what's going on, folks? Video is still coming soon. I know everybody's been waiting for a very long time. The video is coming. We would have had a video a couple days ago, but one of our Rod Rippers didn't know how to run the GoPro, so...
Coffee.
Not going to put any names out there, but...
Nick Coffee screwed it up.
Yeah, might have screwed that one up a little bit. So, really excited to get that video out. It's coming really, really soon. And making a trip to Bass Pro tomorrow with the Coffee Shuffle. Gonna get some great gear and see if we can get ready to go for the rest of the spring and / summer. So we've got a lot of time to fish right now. So
and Jordan, what are we about to do? Quarantine activity number 10 million.
You know, I'm gonna let you run away with that one. Tell the fans what we're getting ready to go do right now.
Guys, I dare you to find us online. Captain J and I about to get on the stickies. A little Call of Duty action. We're about to tear up some people online.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
No survivor.
All right, guys. Huge update. Not only do we have these little babies over there, they laid eggs again. All those little dots in front of the rock in the plant, those are all little babies swimming right there. Crazy. Had babies again. Not even like 2 months later.